Hello class, welcome to week 10. This week's topic is work, and it is one of my favorite topics because that's something that I might not be the most talented person in the world, but I know how to work, and I know that with work comes progress and success, and I also know that the Lord blesses us as we strive to work hard. So let's jump right in. Here's a great quote: "The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary." And this has been attributed to Mark Twain. It's also been attributed to Vince Lombardi, a famous American football coach. And so it's a good quote. As we jump in, let's go ahead and a couple things I wanted to talk to you about. First of all, your English tip. Let's commit to work hard this week on our English vocabulary quizzes. We will be doing an office hour on Saturday morning, 6 a.m. Arizona time. If you can't make that office hour, then please contact me, and I'd be happy to set up another time. It is not mandatory, but it's there for you to practice, and I'll come up with a PowerPoint with suggestions and some practice activities so that you can improve your scores on the vocabulary quizzes. Your writing tip for the week is it's a reminder. Many of you know of this, but you need to give credit where credit is due. And what that means is if you get something off the internet or from another source, you need to give credit or attribute that work to whomever provided it. So if you'll look right here, I have this little quote here, and then I usually do a little link at the bottom to show who said it, and that way I'm not taking credit for the work. So continue to do that. If it's on a discussion board or any paper that you might be writing, it's very, very important that you have that in order. Quote, this is from your lesson, but Bishop J. Richard Clark, I love this quote, just talking about work being honorable. It's good therapy for most problems. It's an antidote for worry. It is the equalizer for deficiency of native endowment. I'll raise my hand for that one. Work makes it possible for the average to approach genius. What we may lack in aptitude, we can make up for in performance. As recommended by Corsarin, if you're poor, work. If you're happy, work. Idleness gives room for doubts and fears. If disappointments come, keep right on working. If sorrow overwhelms you, work. When faith falters and reason fails, just work. When dreams are shattered and hope seems dead, work. Work as if your life were in peril. It really is. No matter what ails you, work. Work faithfully. Work is the greatest remedy available for both mental and physical afflictions. And I testify that. I love the power of work, even when it might not even be necessary economically, but it's an eternal principle, and it brings satisfaction and joy in this life. Assignments for this week: you have an opportunity to prepare either a PowerPoint presentation or a YouTube video or a written paper of your experience with work. It could be something that happened to you or something significant, but please plan early. I wouldn't sit down Saturday night this week and try to quickly accomplish that. So start early in the week, and I think you'll be in good shape. Don't spend 10 hours on it, but it'll take you an hour or two at least to think that over and come up with that. Thank you all for your efforts, and I wish you a great week as we jump into this wonderful topic of work. Thank you.